Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect an external mouse to a laptop. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a laptop and I have an external mouse. Now this is an external mouse that is corded, okay? So as you can see, it has a cord, and on the other end of the cord is a USB port, as you can see right there, a USB jack, okay? Now, in addition to this option, there are external mice that have a circular end at the end of the cord, and those are generally used on older laptops because most modern laptops will only have a USB input that you can use for a mouse. However, there is a little converter unit that you can use to go from a circular output on your mouse to USB. So if there's a mouse that you have that you like that has the circular output on the end of the cord, you can have a converter that will go from the circular output to a USB so that you can use it with a more modern laptop. But at the end of the day, you need the end of the mouse, as you can see right here, to plug into one of the inputs on the laptop. So you can see on this side right here, there is a USB port. I can take this mouse cord right here, I can plug it into the USB port just like that, and the laptop should then go ahead and register the mouse. You can already see that the power is going to the mouse because you can see the laser at the bottom is working. So I already know that there's power to the mouse, but at this point the laptop should go ahead and find a driver for the mouse, and it should register it. Now some laptops will go ahead and they will allow you to register the mouse right away. You'll be able to use it right away, and others will need a driver to register the mouse. So some of them might need a few minutes before the mouse starts working, but either way, the laptop should register the mouse. Sometimes you might have to go and get the driver yourself and get the download the driver from the manufacturer website, but for the most part, most laptops with most mice will just get the driver in a matter of moments and set it up for you, okay? And that's basically it. The other option is a wireless mouse, which just has a little USB receiver that sort of plugs into the laptop, and then you have to have a battery in the mouse itself, and then you turn the mouse on, and it should once again go ahead and register the mouse. So that's it. Those are your options for connecting an external mouse to a laptop. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.